Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. And if you've been looking to start a blog and showcase your content on a beautiful, easy to use platform, then this video is for you. Today, I will show you how to create a professional blog page on Squarespace step by step. So either you are sharing receipts, travel stories, business tips, or personal updates, by the end of this tutorial, you will know exactly how to. So of course, you need to log into your Squarespace account. And here, open the website you want to edit here. So in the Squarespace editors, guys, you'll be able to see here, you can change the colors depending on you. So tap on that one and here, you'll be directed to the other page here, wherein the setting things up. So on this part, guys, you are going to open the website you want to edit here. So in the Squarespace editor, guys, you'll be able to see in the left hand menu the different kinds of options here. So also, guys, you can add a title here, the title of your site here. And then you just need to tap on it next and then get started. Here, guys, you'll be able to see here that this is the website you have chosen here. So this is your blog right now. So what we'll do next is to go here and you'll be able to see here different options, the website, the pages, the styles, the assets, the products and services, scheduling. So this is the options here. So you can also tap on a setup guide depending on you. So here, in the Squarespace editor, click on the pages from left-hand menu. Under the main navigation or not link section, you just need to click the plus icon to add a new page. So here, as you can see here below the collections, you'll be able to see there the blog option. So depending on you guys, wherein you are going to add it, either the main navigation or the not link. So here in the not link, guys, the name, guys, will be not visible to the navigation side. So on this tutorial, we are going to add here on the main navigation. So as you can see here, blogs are organized into blog, page, and individual blog posts. The blog page is the first page the users see when they visit your blog. So here, this will be the first page that will be visible when they visit your blog. So here, after that one, you'll be able to see different templates here. So you can also give your blog page a clear name like blog, news, or something relevant to your content. So some Squarespace templates will give you pre-made blog layouts and then you can choose one or customize it later. And that's it. You now have a basic blog page set up. Next, we need to create your first blog post here. So let's dive into creating and publishing your very first blog post. So you need to go to the blog page and then open the blog page you just created here. And also, guys, you can just delete a blog if you want to and then add a new one. So this is a new one, guys. So here you can add a title and a content. So in the post editor, guys, you can start by adding a compelling title for your post here. You can use the main content area to write your blog post here. And also the Squarespace uses a block editor. So you can add text blocks. So these text blocks is for headings, paragraphs, and quotes. And the image blocks is to add photos or the graphics. And the video blocks, guys, is for embedded videos. And of course, lastly, the buttons is for call to action links. Here, depending if you want to turn on this button, social links, account, cart, or the language switch. And the language switch, guys, you need to set up this one. So by customizing the post setting, guys, you can also click on the settings gear icon in the top right corner. So in this video, guys, we are now setting up your first blog post. So here, what you'll need to do here is to add some text here depending on you. So as you create more blog posts, guys, you will want to keep things organized. This website, the Squarespace, makes it easy to categorize and tag your content. Here in adding categories and tags, guys, while editing a blog post, go to the settings panel and under categories and tags, add relevant keywords that describe your post. So here, I am now changing the site styles depending on you. You can choose here different site styles, guys. For example, that is this one and this one. So I decided that I will choose that one. So what you'll do next here, guys, is you can also add another section here, guys. So here. So take note, guys, that this is only a trial and you need to upgrade to more of it. So for example, that one is I'm gonna add a section here and they will give you some templates you wanna use here. So here, I am going to change this text to introduce your brand. So disclaimer, guys, this is just an example, so this is depending on you. So you can create your own blog name and depending on your niche. So here, guys, you can also adjust the blog page layout. You can choose between grid or list layout for your post. And in customizing the fonts, guys, don't forget to just go to the design site style in the Squarespace editor. And then with just a few tweaks, your blog now looks clean, professional, and visually appealing. And to get your blog post discovered on search engines, you need to optimize for SEO. Of course, guys, before you share your blog with the world, you can test everything. Check how your blog page looks on both desktop and mobile devices. Test the blog navigation, links, and share buttons. And once everything looks perfect, guys, you can click publish to make your page live. Now that your blog is ready, it's time to drive traffic to your post. And here's a few quick tips, guys. Share your blog posts on social media platforms and collaborate with other bloggers to cross-promote content. And there you have it, guys. You now know how to set up, design, and optimize a blog page on Squarespace. So either you are starting a personal blog, this website makes it easy to create a stunning professional blog in just a few steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below with any questions. Thank you for watching and bye.